السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. وإذا السلام دماء أمد مسلم كمال كستو أدوك أكتوكتان Somali وين ذلك
Hello everyone. I'm here to present our first Somali International Fashion Show that will be held in Nairobi on February 16th.
16 February بشان أكو جرنا February وحا سوق من قابية لنيرة الصوماليات.
For more information, follow us on our social media, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
أكو جرتو يقولون وحن بلينا وحيقول قيب قلعي فوتوغرافر كصومالي وخطر سن ولالكي الفارق.
I would like to see you all to take part of this first fashion show that we're holding. It will be very exciting, and I will be taking part of it. And I would love to see you.
Farxiyo Dayax Xaaskiisa Bandhiga Farxiyo Dayax. Thank you very much, guys.